Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use the Cryptomania application. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Cryptomania application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Cryptomania. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Cryptomania videos where you can see how you could do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we can go and see how we can actually use the application. So we have the home screen here where we can see our available balance. You can in the top left corner click on go to premium to get the premium account. We have daily rewards, challenges, shop, auction, top investors, lucky ball, trades, and you can go and start trading by clicking on this big green button here. Also in the top right corner, we can see some settings about the profile where we can go and change the language, delete the account, log out of the application, etc, etc. Also here we have the trading, as you can see, where you can go and see the tutorial. We can buy, sell our crypto or whatever we want. And here we have some tournament propies. So we can join tournaments here to compete with other people. Here guys, we have invest in Empire, so we can unlock an area where we want to invest. And here we have some special offers. We have Trader's Kit, as you can see, which we can go and buy, etc, etc. Also, here at the end, we have after this, of course, we have, of course, our everything about your profile, name, our balance, how much tournaments we won, our ranking, and all of those things. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.